photos of devices made by the Trace Center. Text appears, the Trace Archives.
Hello, my name is Dr. Bern Jordan, and I am the director of the Trace Rehabilitation and Engineering Research Center. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of Trace's old prototypes, a voting system, and some of the possible errors that could occur while voting.
A touchscreen framed by wide black borders with tactile controls for zoom, volume, help, back and next page, and end.
So one thing that we found is that people will sometimes get stuck at the top or the bottom of the screen. They might step through all the choices and then not know that that they're at the end and they need to move back up.
Hand presses the down button.
George Washington, Patrick Buchanan, Al Gore, and Ralph Nader, and George W. Bush, and
Write in blank.
Hand presses the down button.
Write in blank is empty.
So we first had an alert.
If you want to type a write in name,
Hand presses the down button.
last item on page.
Hand presses the down button.
Write. Last item on page. Use the up arrow button.
Now we're giving short instructions on how to move forward.
Hand presses the down button.
You are on the last item on this page. Use the up arrow button to move back up through the rest of the items.
Finally, at the last level, we are quite explicit in the instructions that we give people that they need to use the up arrow to move back up through the choices. So another error that we catch is if people try to overvote.
George Washington and John
Hand
Adams.
presses the enter button.
Marked.
George Washington and Patrick Buchanan, and
Hand presses the enter button.
Overvote warning page. You cannot choose more than one pair of candidates for this office. If you want to change your vote, then 1. Select the marked pair of candidates again to erase your choice. 2. Then select another pair of candidates to make a new choice. Press the page back button to go back to voting.
Hand presses the back button.
Not marked.
The system will also alert you if you undervote on a particular race.
Terrence Carter, Marcus Bell, Christina Chang,
Marked.
Christina Chang.
So if I move forward now with only one vote out of 2,
Hand presses the next button.
Undervote notice page. You are allowed to choose one more candidate for this office. To select an additional candidate, press the page back button. Or, to proceed to the next ballot page, press the next page button again.
so here a person can go back and make an additional vote or move forward. So we'll go ahead and go back.
Ballot page 3 of 6.
Terrence Carter, Marcus Bell, Christina Chang, Lois Fisher, Emmy Hermosa.
Marked.
This video focused on handling common errors with Trace's voting system. Check out our overview video to learn more about the entire system.
Trace RERC. www.trace.umd.edu. The Trace RERC is funded by the Administration for Community Living. NIDILRR Grant 90REGE0024.